Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Geometry Dash Mobile. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes rapidly. On your mobile device, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and select the DualShock 4 wireless controller to connect. This initial step is crucial for establishing a stable connection. Once your controller is paired, open Geometry Dash Mobile. Head into the Game Settings menu, usually found via a gear icon. Look for the Controls or Input section. Here, you should find options to map your controller buttons. Assign actions like Jump and Navigate menus to your preferred buttons, such as the X button for jumping. Take a few moments to customize these settings for optimal comfort and responsiveness, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. If you encounter issues, first try disconnecting and repairing your controller. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your device and the controller can resolve minor glitches. For input lag, ensure your device is not running too many background applications, which can consume valuable processing power. Also, try moving closer to your device to minimize wireless interference. A strong, clear Bluetooth signal is essential for precise gameplay, especially in a rhythm-based game like Geometry Dash. Using a PlayStation 4 controller significantly enhances your Geometry Dash mobile experience. You'll gain much greater precision and control over your movements, which is vital for navigating complex levels and achieving higher scores. The tactile feedback from the physical buttons often feels more satisfying than touch controls, allowing for more consistent timing. This setup provides a console-like feel, making even the most challenging levels more enjoyable and manageable. Elevate your gameplay today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.